Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 7th, 6th chapter, Indices, Part 3. Now, today we will see what is square and how you will going to find out the squares of the number. Square means when you are multiplying a number with itself, it means it is your square. Clear, students? Further, we will see what are square roots and how you will going to find out the square roots. Now, the square root of a number is the number you can multiply by itself. Clear, students? Now, see, for example, over here, here we have to find out the square root of 4. So, what is the square root of 4? That is 2. Why? Because if you will multiply 2 with 2, you will get your 4. Clear? So, the square root of 4 is 2. So like this you have to find out the square root. Clear? Now this is the symbol which we have to use for a square root. Now further we will see what are the different methods for finding a square root. Now there are the three methods for finding the square root. First method is prime factor method, means you have to do the factorization, and with the help of that factorization you have to find out your square root. Clear? Now next one is your factor tree. Now with the help of this factor tree you can find out your square root. And the third one is the division method. So with the help of this division method you can find out your square root. Clear, students? Now let's see practice set 30. See, find the square root. Now here you have to find out the square root. So how you will going to find out the square root? Now here we will find out the square root with the help of factorization. So let's first do the factorization of 625. Now here you have to use the test of divisibility. Clear? Now 625 is divisible by which number? It is divisible by 5. Why? Because 5 is in unit place. Now 625 is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3. Clear? So it is divisible by 5. Why? Because in unit place 5 is there. So it is divisible by 5. If in unit place 0 and 5 is there, it means the number is divisible by 5. So let's see how you will do. That is 5 ones will be 5. So 6 minus 5, what you will get? 1. So 1 you have to carry with 2, it will become 12. Clear? Now 12 is not there in your 5's table. So the smaller number is 5 2s are 10. So 12 minus 10, what you will get? 2. So 2 we have to carry with 5. So it will become 25. So 5 5s is 25. Clear? So here our remainder is 125. Now 125 is divisible by again with 5. Clear? That is 5 2s are 10. 12 minus 10 you will get 2. 2 you have to carry with 5. So it will become 25. So 5 5s are you will get 25. Now 25 is again divisible by 5. That is 5 5s are 25. And 5 is divisible by itself. 5 1s are 5. Clear? Now how you will going to find out the square root? Now what are the first? We will write down the factors of 625. That is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Clear? Now what you have to do is you have to make the pairs of 2 numbers. Clear? It means that from this pair we will take only one number. That is 5 into 5. From this we will take only 5. And 5 into 5 we will take only 5. Means whenever you are making the pairs, from that pairs you have to take only one 5. Now, so what will be the square root of 625? That is 5 5s are, you will get 25. Clear? So like this, with the help of the factorization you have to find out the square root. Clear? Now further we will see how to find out the square root by division method. Now students, whenever it is asked in the question to find out the square root by division method, then only you have to find out your square root by division method. Otherwise you have to use your factorization method. Clear? I will show you how to find out the square root of 4096 by division method. Clear? There are the another method for finding the square root is division method. So here you have to find out the square root of 4096 by factorization, but I am showing how you can find out the square root by division method. So first what we have to do is, see here we will write down 4096 means 4096. What you have to do now is you have to make the pairs. You have to take the two numbers and you have to give a horizontal line. Clear? So from the right hand side I have taken the two number, I had given the horizontal line. Then I have taken the next two number and I had given the horizontal line. Clear? So it means that we had made the pairs. Now we will take the first pair, that is 40. Clear? Now we will find out that 40 is the square of which number? 40 is the square of none of the number. Clear? So we will take the smaller number of that. Clear? The smaller number is 36. 36 is the square of 6. So here we will write down 6. 6 are 36. Clear, student? Now we will subtract this. From 0 we can't subtract 6, so we will carry 1. So 10 minus 6 you will get 4, and here 3 will remain. 3 minus 3 you will get, that is 0. Clear? This much is clear. Now here what you have to do on the left hand side is you have to add again 6. So 6 plus 6 you will get, that is 12. Clear? Now this 96, the another pair we have to carry down over here. Understood? So it will become 496. Understood? Now what you have to do is, now we have to find out that how you will get 496. Which number you will take with 12 to get 496. Clear? So here if you will take 4. Clear? If you will take 124, 4s are, you will get 496. So 124, 4s are, we will write down 496. Understood? We have to subtract this, and again what you will do, now see here we have to subtract, you will get 0, 0. Now with 124 again we will add 4. Clear? So 4 plus 4 you will get 8, 2 and 1. Understood, student, how you will do? So here what will be the square root of 4096? That is what is our quotient, that is 64. Clear? So the square root of 4096 is 64. Clear? So you can find out the square root by this division method also. Clear? So here we have done, we had find out the square root by division method. This is known as your division method. Clear? Thank you.